Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all my students. I'm your science teacher Amreen Nawaz. Now we start our lesson number 9 in which we will discuss about the light. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to define light and its shadow, list different sources of light. What is light? Light is a form of energy we cannot see without light. The sun is main source of light. Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation. It is a source of illumination. Now the next one is shadow. Shadows are made when light is blocked by an object. When an object is close to a light source, it blocks more of the light rays. The object then makes a big shadow. When the object is far away from the light, it makes a smaller shadow. The size and shape of shadow depends on the position and size of the light source. Let's talk about light sources. Light sources vary in brightness. Some light are bright and other are dim. The brightness is the intensity or power of a light source. Brighter lights have a higher power. Other sources of lights are fire, candle, torch, bulb, and star. In case of any question, you can contact me at amanfatima371 at gmail.com. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.